Most people think procrastination is laziness. It's not. It's a protection response. Your brain is not avoiding studying, it's avoiding discomfort. And studying activates three specific threats: uncertainty. What if I don't understand this? Identity risk. What if I'm not smart enough? Cognitive load. Sustained mental strain registers as danger to the brain. So when you sit down to study, your nervous system scans for safety. If it doesn't detect it, it searches for relief. Phone, snacks, cleaning, scrolling, researching, planning. Relief feels productive, but relief is not progress. Let's break what's actually happening and what to do instead. 1. You're trying to control behavior without regulating state. You don't procrastinate because you lack discipline. You procrastinate because your nervous system is dysregulated. When stress rises, activity shifts away from the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, planning, reasoning, and toward survival circuits. You cannot access deep focus from a threat state, so instead of forcing productivity, regulate first. Before studying, slow your breathing for 2 to 3 minutes. Clear your desk visually. Move your phone out of reach. Decide the exact page, problem, or paragraph you're starting with. Clarity reduces threat. Specificity reduces resistance. Regulation comes before execution. 2. Your brain rewards you too early. Here's the invisible trap. You study for 15 minutes. Your brain releases dopamine because you initiated effort, and it says, "We did something, that's enough." But that reward was triggered by starting, not finishing. So your brain confuses initiation with completion. This is why one small session feels like a full accomplishment. To fix it, delay the reward. Stop measuring study sessions by time. Measure them by output. 20 practice questions completed. 3 summary pages written. 1 chapter revised fully. Dopamine must attach to completion, not initiation. When output becomes the reward trigger, motivation stabilizes. 3. You're making studying emotionally heavy. Study biology is not a task. It's a psychological weight. The brain resists vague, abstract demands. It prefers to find edges. So shrink the target. Instead of study chemistry for 2 hours, try answer questions 1 to 10 on page 42. Microspecific actions bypass resistance. Small wins create momentum. Momentum signals safety. Safety unlocks focus. 4. You're studying in escape mode. Many students sit down already dysregulated, overstimulated, sleep-deprived, comparing themselves, carrying guilt. That state is reactive. Deep work requires stability. Before you begin, ask, am I studying to avoid guilt or to build competence? That distinction changes everything. I need to study or I'll fail creates threat. I am training my brain creates growth. Threat produces avoidance. Training produces engagement. Your nervous system responds differently to each narrative. 5. Stop chasing motivation, build activation. Motivation is emotional. Activation is mechanical. Create a 5-minute entry ritual. Same desk, same water bottle, same instrumental track, same opening task structure. Repetition builds conditioning. Eventually, the ritual becomes the cue. You don't wait to feel ready. You enter the pattern, and the pattern carries you. The real reframe. You are not lazy. You are responding to perceived threat. Procrastination happens when the task feels unsafe. The reward system fires too early. The goal is too abstract. Your nervous system is overloaded. So instead of trying to become more disciplined, engineer your state. Regulate, specify, measure output, delay reward, condition entry. Procrastination is not a personality flaw. It's a temporary state. And states can be designed. The goal is not to force yourself to study. The goal is to make studying neurologically easier than avoidance. When that shifts, focus stops feeling heroic, and progress stops being accidental.